We're going to review the personal pronouns in Chinese. The first one, I, in Chinese is 我 我 Then we have you singular, which is 你 你 Then we have he. In Chinese, we have to make the difference in the characters, but not their pronunciation, which is the same for he and she. Now, here we have the character for he and the pronunciation 他 他 Then the character for she. As you can see, the character changes a little bit. The left part of it. Here we have the radical for woman, but the pronunciation is the same as he. So we have 他 他 Then we have the plurals. For example, we. Chinese, we say 我们 我们 Now you plural 你们 你们 And to finish with, we have they. In Chinese, again, we have to make the difference between they for male and female. Here we have they. We are referring to male, so this is called 他们 他们 And then the female they, which is 他们 他们 Pronunciation is the same, but again, the characters change. So a final review of the pronouns in Chinese. Here we have them. Singular 我 你 他 And then the plural pronouns. We have we, you plural, and they. 我们 你们 他们 Remember the differences in the third person. We have to use the character for he or she.